Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone has at least 20% battery and the SIM is seated. These prevent interruptions. Once done, power the phone on and unlock the keypad or enter your PIN so you have full access. Navigate immediately to the main menu and select Contacts or Phone Book. This is where numbers live. Make sure to check both SIM and phone memory views. Different phones store contacts in different locations, so open the memory selector if available. You now perform a targeted search. Press search or find and type the name or the known digits because partial matches can reveal truncated entries. Once you see results, check whether each contact is stored on the SIM or phone memory. Phones often show location icons. If you find the number, choose View Options Copy or Backup and copy it to the SIM or phone memory to secure it. This prevents loss if you switch cards or reset the device. Finish by saving the recovered contact to both SIM and phone memory so you have a duplicate. Then use Export, Send, or Backup to an SD card or via Bluetooth to another phone for extra safety. Make sure the contact fields, name, number type, are correct before exiting. If you can't find the number, toggle the SIM out and back in, restart the phone, or test the SIM in another keypad handset. These steps often restore visibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.